Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Ayana Supreme. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on videos and shorts featuring different hairstyles. And in this particular video, here's some photos. In this particular video, I will be discussing the variety of locks that exist and why you shouldn't get them. Hi, I would just like to have some lock talk right now. The one thing that I wanted to say again, because I've said it videos ago, but I doubt anybody has seen those videos. Locks are diverse too. Natural hair is diverse. Locks are a part of natural hair styles, right? But locks within itself are very diverse as well. And I think a lot of people who are not in the lock community may not know that. And if you're not a part of the lock community, then get a chair. Let's talk. Okay? Okay. So, there are a variety of different types of locks that people have, right? There are the freeform lock styles. There are interlocking styles. There are traditional locks. There are micro locks. There are sister and brother locks. And there are faux locks. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to just bring them in. I'm going to bring them in. Started out with the locks that were, made by hand, right? And they had them put lock extensions into their hair, right? And then over time, they cut it off. They cut off the faux locks, and then they just grow into the natural locks with the pattern that they want, the size they want, and everything like that. So, I mean, you might as well bring them into the community. What's up? Because they're natural too. Because if you're going the route of having locks, even if it starts off in a different kind of way, it's still a part of the natural hair umbrella, because as they get cut off, it's not relaxed. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. So with that diversity, there is an array of beautiful styles that are made. To me, a little repetitive. It's us, right? It's a little repetitive. The barrel rolls, the curls, the updos, all that kind of stuff. But again, it's still a diverse group of people, because many people who are in the lock community do not care for their hair the same. The fact that I put conditioner in my hair might be a revolutionary thing for many people. I mean, I'm telling you, like I've got the last girl that's in my hair, she did not use conditioner in my hair. She just used shampoo and oil. For me personally, I liked her methodology because she did a really great job of doing my repair and stuff like that. But when I care for my hair, okay, I use shampoo and I also use conditioner. There are people who want locks and ask questions about getting locks. They inquire all this information, stuff like that, but they may not be in the right place where they should actually get the locks. Why you should not get locks is if you don't like to take care of your hair. That sounds terrible, but it's true though. And you can look at me and say, but Ayana Supreme, you do wigs, you get braids over your locks, you do all these things. I do all these things, but I also maintain my own hair. I wash my hair, I shampoo my hair. Yes, with sulfates. I also condition my hair. Yes, I condition my hair. I do. And I also retwist. And if I need to repair it, I will either try to do it myself, or I will try to go to someone to repair my hair for me, because hair gets weak, right? And let's take me for an example. I have had, as I've discussed before, 8 million children, right? And with that, you have the blossoming, the fullness of all this thickness that your hormones and everything else is giving to you, right? And then you have postpartum shedding, right? Yeah, that has definitely had an impact on my hair, and I showed you guys in a few videos ago. And if you haven't watched that, please do that. It's really quick. It's a very honest conversation that I have with you guys just about how, you know, postpartum shedding is a thing and it's normal and you'll get through it. Okay, and another reason why you shouldn't get locks is if you like really tight, slick hairstyles that require perfection. Locks are not for you, because one thing during the process of your locks, first of all, is the fact that they're not perfect. They are not 100% symmetrical. They never will be, okay? And it kind of forces you to accept that about them. You know what I mean? So consider that. Another reason why you should not be locked is because, or get locks, is because you have no patience. If you don't have patience, locks are not for you. Listen to what I'm saying to you, please. If you don't have patience, getting locks is not for you. And you can say to yourself, oh, but my hair is long. Because some people start out their hair journey with super long hair, right? And they think that when they get locks, that the locks will continue to be long. No. When you get locks, regardless of how long your hair is, it will shrink up, knot around itself, and then start to grow. But as it grows, it is still intertwining amongst other strands. The strands are going like this. They're in all different patterns and stuff like that. It's, well, for the Afro kinky textured hair. If you have straight hair, I've seen a lot of people back combing to get like that cylindrical shape and stuff like that. However you do it and however your hair behaves, what it will begin to learn as it locks is to intertwine. And with that intertwining, you're losing length. I don't know if you've paid attention, but if you look at other people's lock journey, some people do combine their locks because they're looking for a thicker, stronger look, right? I've seen so many accounts where people go from sister locks to a different set of micro locks for a variety of reasons, right? When you combine your locks, they get shorter. They look shorter, rather, right? It's just a part of the situation. So, if your goal is to have long hair, if that's what you want, because some people, you know, honestly, they get into the lock game because they want to have long hair, right? If that's the case, have patience. If you don't have patience, just get some lock extensions if that's the case. Get some lock extensions. People are doing the faux locks in a variety of different ways. Go that route. And if you don't like it, you can do something else. I've said this before, but many people start their lock journey for spiritual reasons, right? And that is totally fine. I'm not talking to those people because I don't have a right to comment on how you practice your spirituality, okay? I'm more so speaking to the people who are interested in going through the locking process, another way to be a natural, you know what I'm saying? So I'm more so speaking to those people. I'm not speaking to the spiritually practicing people who involve their lock journey in that, okay? Let me preface that, because I don't disrespect people in their journeys. I don't disrespect people in their way of life, right? I have no comment on that. I salute you. I respect you. It's a beautiful thing that you're deciding to do, and they're beautiful, however you decide to do that. Another reason why I feel like you shouldn't get locks, at least not right now, is because it doesn't make you more natural. It doesn't. A lot of people have this perception that if you have locks, then you like whole foods, you eat organic everything, you're vegan, you're crunchy, right? Or some people have this stereotype that if you have locks, then you're from the Caribbean. Or some people have a stereotype that people with locks are like a certain kind of person. And they feel like it's all a part of the appearance. To get locks, it goes with to fit inside of a certain box. This is not in all cases, right? Because I do recognize that it may or may not be the case, right? Your hair does not need to validate your walk and your path in life. It doesn't. Whoever is telling you that is wrong. If those are the thoughts that you have in your mind, remove them. The way you carry your hair does not validate anything in particular. Again, not talking about the people who are on their spiritual path, right? You don't have to do it. It's not a part of a costume. It's a decision. It's a decision, and it is a discipline on patience. Okay? Okay. And what else? I think that's it. I think that is it. Yeah. Okay. So, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. At Ayana Supreme. Please subscribe. Okay? Hit the bell for any notifications. Check out any shorts. I may come back to you with another wig. I may come back to you with another wig review. I may come back to you in another lock style. I'm trying to do new things with both things, in both ways, right? I'm going to learn we're going to learn together how to style, wigs. And I'm going to learn how to style my locks as well. I spent a long time doing very simple things with my locks because I wanted to grow my hair. I've accomplished that already. I've grown my hair to the middle of my buttocks, the crack of my caca, the crack of my back. With the Lord split me, child. You know what I'm saying? Like, I grew my hair, so I know it's possible, and that's cool. Now, I want to play a little bit. Not too much. I have no intentions or plans on dyeing my hair in a bright color and causing any further damage. I have no interest in that. What I would like to do is maintain my hair and play with different styles. I would like to see myself in a new way. Maybe a bantu knot out. I've done braid outs a million times. Maybe learn how to do like a style roll tuck and pin. Professional looks, all that kind of stuff. I would like to see myself that way with my locks. And then I'll have other videos just featuring wig. Okay? So, subscribe, as I said before. Thank you so much for watching this video, getting all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all my new subscribers. It's like, like 27. It's like, 13 or whatever it is. I really, really appreciate it because I really enjoy doing this. It's so much fun. And it gets me to have like a hobby outside my children and da. So, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye.